Hey Tay-Baes, it's Taya. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about this really cute headband wig that I am wearing right now, you guys. It's from Love Me Hair. Love Me Hair did sponsor this video today, so thank you Love Me Hair for sending me this wig. Keep on watching, you guys, and I'm going to show you the unboxing and also me putting this wig on, and then we'll talk a little bit about the wig itself as well. So keep on watching. Okay guys, so this wig was again sent to me by Love Me Hair, and I have actually worn wigs from Love Me Hair before. I purchased, I believe, 2 wigs previously from Love Me Hair, but this is my first headband wig from them, and I am so far here for it. I mean, I am a lazy girl when it comes to my hair. I'm always here for a really quick hairstyle, and y'all, I literally just threw this on my head in like 3 minutes. For real. So let's talk a little bit more about this wig. It is human hair, it's virgin hair. They have several different styles of their headband wigs. This one is the wet and wavy one, so you're supposed to be able to straighten it out and then wet it and it will bounce right back. I'm not gonna be doing any of that in this video today. That's doing a lot, but just know that it's supposed to be able to do that. This one has some length on it. This one is actually, let me stand up here. This one is actually fairly long. I would probably say that this is in the 20 to 22 inch range. It's a wet and wavy wig, so we've got this wave going on, and it's super duper pretty. The hair feels really nice. It feels really soft, and I think it looks really good too. Super duper cute, you guys. And it also came with a pack of headbands, which is great because I can just use these ones with this wig. If you saw my last video, you saw that I picked up several headbands from Amazon, so I do not have any shortage of headbands at the current moment. You can check that video out as well. I'll link it somewhere up at the top, but I mean, it's nice to have a few extra headbands as well. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this headband on, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the wig. This headband is so cute. I'm really loving the yellow and the green in this headband. So I'm just gonna tilt that a little bit to the side. So with these headband wigs that are human hair, you're spending a little bit more than you would for those synthetic headband wigs. And when I just went and looked on their website, the price range was from $150 for the 16 inch to $200, and I wrote it down, $220. It's much pricier than what you would spend more than likely for a synthetic headband wig. And I'm just telling you how my cheap mind works. If I know that this is supposed to be a quick throw on wig, and there's a number of synthetic half wigs and synthetic headband wigs on the market, it's like, is it worth me buying this human hair headband wig? You know what I mean? I think we all know there's a very big difference between the synthetic hair quality and the human hair quality of any wigs. I think it's really nice if you have a synthetic wig that costs less that you can just throw on, but it's not gonna last you as long as a human hair wig. Like we know that, right? To me, I think it really comes down to the quality of the hair, the versatility of the hair, because I'm going to be able to style this like you can style any other human hair wig. And my expectation would be that this is going to last me much longer than a synthetic version would. So in my mind, that justifies the price difference. I do want to mention that Love Me Hair did give me a discount code to share with you all. So the coupon code that you can use for a discount on this wig or their other wigs is Taya20, and I'll put that down in the description box, but Taya, T-A-Y-A 20. So thank you, Love Me Hair, for offering that to my subscribers. Okay guys, so I just threw the wig up into a messy bun up at the top of my head, and I think we're serving cuteness. I think we're serving really cute, casual flyness. I really do. She's cute. Let me turn around so you can see what the bun is looking like in the back, because obviously if you're pulling your wig up in the back, y'all want to make sure that you're not looking crazy. But I don't think that you need to worry about looking crazy for real, because you do have the headband in the back covering up any craziness that might be occurring. So I think it's really cute. I'm super here for it. I am loving this style. I feel like this is giving me really sophisticated like vibes. I feel like I look really sophisticated and smart. Like if I had some glasses, do I have glasses? I don't have any glasses to put on, but I feel like I would really be serving you like pretty black nerd. I'm not sure that I would say that I have any con to this wig. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. It's a really quick throw on wig. So yeah, I personally really like it. I will leave the link to the wig down in the description box below. I'll also leave my coupon code Taya20 down in the description box as well. So feel free to take a look, pick it up if you are interested or not. But those are my thoughts on this Wet n Wavy headband wig from Love Me Hair. I would love to hear what you guys think about this wig as well. So please do let me know what you are thinking about this wig. What are you thinking about the bun? Like, I'm really here for it. Thank you again so much for tuning in for another video. If you are new here, please do make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you take off. Also hit that like button before you take off as well. And I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.